We found a kind of paradise in a flower's bloom. We've seen the end, our mystic light so close to meets the parting sun. We share the thoughts that two could share. We feel the truth, magic that we send, searching for something new. Isle of golden flowers bloom. We've heard a kind of paradise beyond the desert's dunes. We've walked the earth in solitude so cold beneath the warmth of sun. We've lived a life that we can live. We see the true magic that begins, searching for something new. Isle of golden flowers bloom. We found a kind of paradise below sky sound new. We've weaved a web of mystery so wide beneath the light of day. We've worn the cloak of secret lies. We've seen the true magic that we send, searching for something new. Isle of golden flowers bloom. So when will it end? So when will we meet, my friends? So